Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SRNE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of showing these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely more updates need to be done. First, going to do is a little house cleaning here and just get rid of this line down there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. First level that needs to be updated, though, is right up here at $2.35. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going forward, $2.35 is what I would call the ideal level of support, meaning for say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And I'd say, well, ideally, if the price can stay up above $2.35, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. With that being said, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below $2.35, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a huge sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above the 235 would be great, but as far as the grand scheme is concerned, the bulls are in full control as long as the price remains above that purple line. As far as levels of resistance, nothing new here to report. Still got that next level that I talked about on Thursday's video, and that's right up there around $2.43. So $2.43, public enemy number one, but as I did today, and it's always a good sign when red lines are being converted into green, that's what you want to see. So we'll see if next week this red line needs to be converted into a green line or not, but overall, you really couldn't draw up a better final couple days of the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.